Start too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously a fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, me no know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my 3 trades on the NASDAQ 100. I had 2 losers, 1 winner. The 1 winner took care of both of the 2 losers, and I didn't make any more trades for the rest of the day. I mean, I was looking for buys on the day when we had that push down and I started to see a little reversal. I entered looking to the upside, closed it as we started to look like we're about to reverse. And that's basically it. So from the start of the day on the 1 hour candle, I had buy side trades, right? So you can see on the first candle, and that's the 1 hour, I had a buy side trade here. You can see this one I had entered with a 0.07, and this one was 17776.14. that was the entry, and then I actually got stopped out at 17749.76. so this is just showing you that price actually went down very quickly. So when it hit me out, it just kind of slipped past the stop loss. So this is where my stop loss was. You can see where this says I got stopped out was on the 10 candle. Does it match here? On the 10 candle. So I entered here on the 1, and this is saying I got stopped out on the 10. Okay, so you can see that the 10 actually wicked down right here, and that's probably where it stopped me out. But on this chart, it's actually showing me that I should have been hit out on the 12 candle, but that happens sometime. I mean, with our broker, like within dollars, like a couple dollars, it's gonna knock you out. It's gonna knock you out, right? So the next one now, I entered to the buy side again, and this one was on the 3 candle, on the 3rd hour candle. So this one I entered at 17766.39. Then I actually got stopped out at 177.40, and this one was on the 13 candle. This should more match what happened here. So I entered on the 3. You can see I was up for a majority of the night, so I sleep during when most of this is happening, and then this is at 6 a.m. and this is when I actually got stopped out. So at 6 a.m. I got stopped out for a total loss of 26.39. The one previously was a loss of 18.47, and those I felt good about. Those are comfortable within my range. I mean, it was a Thursday as well, so Thursdays can look very tricky, but then I was looking for, how do you call it, like a sign of a reversal, a sign of a direction. When we got that kind of change, kind of that directional change, that reversal, so it looked like it pulled liquidity down here before starting to go up, I was able to enter down here and close it when it came up here. If you had probably held it a little longer, you'd have ended up maybe getting wicked out or losing. So the final trade, I entered to the buy side, right? And this one is perfect because I can actually show my entry, my stop loss, and where I actually close it. So my entry was 17748.23. Where I took profit was at 17816.33. You can see if that was close to the high of the day or not. And then my stop level was at 17771. So you can see my stop loss. What was my stop loss? What's going on here? 17. Oh, so what actually happened here is that I moved my stop loss into profits. So I wouldn't be able to show my stop loss on this, but typically I have a stop loss like down here, or I think I even had a stop loss below there. And what happened, price came up to this point and then I close it when it hit me out. I closed it on this candle. So this one was the 19 candle. So before we had like that violent push down, this candle looked like an indecision candle. This looked like my second chance to get out. So I was like, all right, you know what, it looks like price is kind of deciding to push down. Let me exit out at this point. The next candles wouldn't have been very favorable for me to exit. I still would have been in profits if I had held this, but I decided close the trade, move on to the next day. So this one was a 68 profit, and then actually made 0.38% on the account. That's basically it for today. It was a Thursday. It was a nicer Thursday because I usually have losing trades on Thursday. And going forward, I'm gonna either be looking for that daily move or also intraday looking for a reversal and then a push into the direction that I'm kind of looking for on the day. Whether it's a buy, I'm looking for a sell off before I enter to the upside, or a retest before I enter to the upside, and then if I can hold it throughout the day, that's even better, right? But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. We'll see how tomorrow trades. I have a bullish trade on tomorrow already. I mean, there's no certainty when it comes to the market. I don't know what it's gonna do, but my bias is bullish, and I'm probably just looking for 1 to 2 trades on the day. If I'm wrong multiple times, I probably just need to leave it alone, right? But overall, it wasn't such a good week. Lost a lot of money this week, but we'll make that up on other trades. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.